Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the simple process of downloading all your photos and videos from Google Photos to your mobile device. This method is a huge time saver, especially if you have a large collection of media, and it's perfect for avoiding the tedious task of downloading each file one by one. First, open the Google Photos app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so that you have access to your entire media library. Once you're inside your gallery, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. This will open up your Google account settings. Now that you're in the settings, you'll see different sections such as Home, Personal Info, Data, and Privacy and such. Select Data and Privacy. Keep scrolling until you see an option called Content Saved from Google Services. This section will display all the Google services linked to your account. Look for Google Photos, and you'll see the total amount of media stored in your library. Once you're ready, tap the Download button to continue. This will direct you to the Google Takeout page, which allows you to configure your download settings. The first option you'll need to choose is how you'd like to receive your download link. We highly recommend selecting the Send Download Link via email option, as this will send a link directly to your inbox when your export is ready. You'll also have the choice to set the export frequency. You can choose to export your media once, or if you'd prefer, you can set it to export every 2 months for an entire year. In addition, you can customize the size and the file type for your export. Once you've made all your selections, simply click on the Create Export button. Depending on the size of your media collection, this process could take a few days, or if you have a massive library, it may even take a couple of weeks. But don't worry, Google will notify you once the export is ready. When the export is ready, you'll receive an email with the download link. Just open the email, click on the link. Just click Download button and it will lead you to Google Takeout once again. Then, select the Download button. The files will be in a zip format, so once the download is complete, you'll need to unzip the file. After unzipping it, all of your photos and videos will be available for you to enjoy, right on your device. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a comment below to let us know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. I'll catch you in the next video.